barber shop na boko gingeru okorerwa scrubbing tobwata massage ya back, massage no mubiri omugima, alafu tobwate waxing like na bokurusi wetu kiago gaigas chintigatigi, alafu tobwata facials niko bwate shida n'obusi bwago na bugo chocolate facial, tobwate nails ngwa katore jelly okora tore pedicure wangu sibitora amaguru n'amagoko iki nacyo sambo yaito ya chinchara, tobwate body scrub niko wetu omubiri oscrub gwo nabo wetu tariraga igase Palamax. Karibu.
sana umanche muri yebuna nagote ingari tkolera ni gotora se Palamax ase bakokora Yoboonchoreria ndagite ngumere no yokoro chinjara unoro chinjara kigachiya ikire atataina kia koro chinjara cha karibu sana.
Asante sana. Okay, my name is Owino. Okay, I work here at Palamax. I've been here down the line around like 1 year. I came to Kisii from Mombasa. I've been doing beauty. I major on nails, and I've done this thing for the last 11 years back in Mombasa. So I came for a trial in Kisii, since my home area is in Kisii. So the first place I came is Palamax. It's a good place. The beauty section, I really love it. Compared to Mombasa, I think Kisii, the circulation of money is good. Compared to Mombasa, it was seasonal. So I love it. Yes.
Pengine ukiangalia turnout ya customer